Good afternoon, Forex traders. Hope you guys are all doing well. Just a quick video. I'll try to make it quick. We've got a couple of currencies we're looking for potential trades now or even for next week. We do have some short-term trades, and also we've got, I do believe I have one long-term trade, which is on a weekly bar chart. So we'll dive straight into it, get this video quick and done for you guys so you can see what we're looking at for what we're looking on the trading week for either this week or next week's trades, depending on when we get our entry signals or when they do break out of the patterns. Alright, so the first one we're looking at is the hourly bar chart on the Aussie Swiss franc. So you can see here it has sort of formed a channel. Just did this sort of roughly. I'm not a big fan of it too much, but it is still following some of my rules. So we also, a potential double bottom is also something we could see. So if it does bounce, we could look for potential bounce. So keep a close eye on this. If you do enter based on this channel, have a look. And then if it just keep in mind for this double bottom that we could hit. Also keeping in mind that it is a very strong downtrend, so a bit of a bias to the downside. But obviously, if we do get our signals for the upside, we will have a look at taking them as well. So there is always opportunity either to the upside or to the downside. But obviously, because of this very strong downtrend, we will look for potential moves to the downside and a bit of a bias as well. So the next one is the Aussie Japanese yen. So we do have a lot of Aussie pairs in this one. They are all looking very favorable to the downside, but obviously, like I said, if they do give us signals to the top, that'll be good as well. So you can see this one has sort of broken past the previous high as well, previous low. You can see this has sort of caused this to consolidate as well. Forming a channel on the hourly bar chart, we can look for a potential break to the downside, keeping in mind that it is another possible double bottom that we could hit. So just have a look on that, keeping your risk management very sort of well under control. The next one we're looking at is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. You can see this is on the daily bar chart. We do have sort of this is a bit of an uptrend, but let's see, on the weekly you can see it is consolidating. So I mean, we could see moves either to the downside or to the upside. We could also sort of draw this this trend line over here, looking for potential moves to this area as well, and then also having a look for this. We could draw this one over here as well. You can see it as sort of forming a triangle. So we could look for continued consolidation inside of this sort of wedge or triangle. Until it does break out, we could look for very strong moves when it does. But for the time being, on the daily time frame, we were looking for moves inside of this channel, or if it does break, we could look for potential moves over here as well, keeping your stop losses nice and tight, or just depending on keeping your risk management well under control as well. The next one we're looking at is the Euro Swiss franc. So here we've got another channel. So a very, very strong pattern this week are these channels. They were also 2 weeks ago for me. They were very common as well. Very, very nice entry signals as well. So, but this one we can see it has also formed this channel with a nice strong downtrend. Again, breaking past this previous high. Then they're retracing past it. So this has proven to be a very strong support area. So do keep this in mind if you do take a trade to the downside. But if we do have a trade to the upside as well, we can see there is a support resistance area here, which did sort of on the daily, we could sort of have this area. And then again, having this, including this section over here, that we had this previous low as well. So this is this is indicating either way. So if it does break either way, we look for potential moves in either trade direction, or either direction of the trend, either bullish or bearish. The next one is the pound Kiwi dollar. So look, so pound has been a little bit crazy with Theresa May doing her thing. So we can see here that this is the weekly time frame. So this is the one that I was talking a bit more for the long term. This is the weekly bar chart. You can see it has formed this triangle. So I will wait personally for a close of a candle beyond this pattern for potential moves. But you can see at the moment we are looking at on the weekly time frame. So for a longer, more sort of investing kind of area, we can see also here that we do have a support or resistance area over here. So you can see that it has caused this consolidation as well, obviously offering previous resistance back in April of 2017. So if it does break this area, we could look for potential strong moves in either direction. So we'll just keep an eye on this in the next coming weeks, just to see what it does. The next one, the last one we're looking at is the the US dollar and versus the Canadian dollar. So again, we have this very nice channel coming on. This is a 30-minute bar chart, so a bit of a smaller time frame. So this could possibly give us an entry signal inside of this week. If not, we can look for an entry signal on the next week. It's also valid on the hourly time frame, not so much the 4-hourly. But on the 4-hourly, another interesting thing is you can see it has broken past this area of resistance. And you can see it is now sort of consolidated on that area. So it is offering support as well to help us on that move to the upside. And also on the daily time frame, you can see it has broken out of this very nice channel. So you can see it is, like I said, this has been a very, very effective pattern for us this week and for the past couple of weeks as well. So it has been treating us very well if you do manage your risk accordingly. So that's it, guys. It is just a quick video for what we're looking for this week or next week. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please do give us that thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button, click that bell icon to get notifications of whenever we do release new videos. And also, if you want to get in contact with us, please do so. Our contacts will be provided down below in the video description, or you can go on blackbullmarkets.com, click on the little green button that says live chat, and we'll get back to you. Also, if you prefer using email, please do email us at support@blackbullmarkets.com for any inquiries. All right, guys, hope you guys did like it. And from everyone here at Black Bull Markets, safe trading. Thanks for watching.